Good morning guys, another day from Alberta, Canada. Just starting the day with a bacon sandwich. And we're actually watching some football. This is my local team, Coventry City. They're playing Blackburn Rovers. It's currently 1-1. But yeah, a regular 3 o'clock kickoff. Obviously it's a very early start for us because it's 7 hours behind. But come on Coventry. Okay then guys, so if you're wondering how the football finished off, it ended 2-2, which wasn't a bad result, but enough of that. What are we doing today? So we're heading to a place called Spray Lakes Reservoir, which is around an hour away from us, so it's not too far in the grand scheme of things, but I am looking forward to this. I'm just looking up at the mountains now and it actually looks pretty foggy today. So we'll see what it's like when we get to this reservoir place, but it should be nice anyway. So I'm not too sure how well you're going to be able to see, but it has now started snowing, which is definitely a first. So I don't think we've driven in the snow here yet. It's definitely not heavy, but yeah, we'll see if it picks up a bit more. Okay, so it appears that the road has very quickly turned from tarmac to just gravel, and we are definitely heading up a mountain here. I think we're sort of winding in and around this mountainous pass, but yeah, we're definitely heading upwards. So just got to be a bit careful around here. We don't fancy sliding off and rolling down the mountain. So we just thought we'd stop at this spot here because it's absolutely beautiful. Look where we are. This is just classed as a pond as well. This isn't the reservoir that we're going to. But everywhere you look, just scenery. Again, literally just drove a couple of 100 meters down the road and had to stop again. How nice is this? I wonder if that's a small cave down there. I know it's kind of underwater, but yeah, I wonder if people do go down through there. This water as well is so clear that you can literally just drink that straight from here, no problem at all. Danielle's first time driving an SUV and first time driving an automatic. What do you think?
Well, I'm only going round in a circle. I can't really.
It feels high up there, doesn't it?
Yeah, it feels like it's a big car. Like, I don't know if I'd be able to park it.
No.
I can't even park the 1 Series.
Now just stop here and just put it in reverse. So
reverse?
Yeah, just navigate reversing. So obviously straighten up the steering wheel, just go straight back. No, you're turning, aren't you?
Oh wait, well, so how do you?
That's it, just go straight back. No, that's it.
How do I know if I'm on the end?
No, you're not, you can see you're not. And just go forward again.
I don't like the reverse. I don't like the reversing camera. But you can't even see out the back. Oh.
Yeah, well, it's because you ain't got the mirrors adjusted, but you're only going around the circle.
Why is the steering wheel so light?
It's just electric power steering, isn't it?
Oh.
It's easy to drive though, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. I think I could drive the rest of the trip.
Yeah, on that bumpy road.
Yeah. Maybe not uphill. I'll drive to the end of here.
Okay. Through the puddle.
We'll do a swapsy. I don't think it's a puddle, I think it's hot.
I could get used to this.
Is it
just
weird
falling asleep in the passenger seat.
Oh.
This will do, yeah.
Wait there, let's get, like, I'll just go here.
Now put the parking brake on.
And then what do you do with this?
Yeah, push it down. That's it, it's on.
And
now you're in park, yeah?
I feel scared letting go.
No, it's fine.
You're
in park and you got the parking brake on, so you're fine. How was that?
I want an automatic now.
We'll get you a Jeep.
He's back in the driver's seat.
Yeah, proper driver.
Where you belong.
So I just realised that's exactly where we stopped. Avalanche area, no stopping. It's always good. Okay, so we're driving in proper snow now. This is a good few inches deep, and it don't look like too many cars have been down here, so I think this is pretty fresh snow. It is actually coming down pretty heavy now, believe it or not. Like I said, you're probably not going to be able to see it on the camera, but it is actually snowing pretty heavy. So yeah, I think we've got about another 5 minutes of driving, then we're going to find it somewhere nice to stop and have a look at this reservoir. Okay, so we've kind of gone off-piste just to try and find somewhere to stop. I don't really know what this is.
I think it's basically just to tell you that this is here.
Oh, these are toilets.
Yeah, I need the toilet.
Okay, so we've just gone off-piste a little bit because trying to find somewhere to park, and I think the case is if there isn't a barrier to say the road is closed, you're allowed to go up there, and it's probably, the snow's probably about 6 inches deep up here, which obviously is fine for us. There's toilets here as well, which is good, so we're going to probably use them, but take a look at this road where it carries on. I don't know how well you can see that, but that's a road there. That's got to be
3 foot?
Yeah, 3 foot deep. Easy.
And that's just here, so God knows what it's like in there.
Down there, yeah. But yeah, I think we're going to use those toilets over there. Can you see the snow now? Yeah, I think you can. Yeah, it's coming down quite heavy. Yeah, I'm going to use those toilets and then see if we can walk anywhere from here. So we managed to find a way down from the road. Just came down this little path here. Well, it's not a path, it's literally just walked through the snow. But take a look at where we are now. Have you ever seen anything quite like this? Literally silent here. This is of course a reservoir, if you didn't already figure it out. But of course it's, you know, completely frozen. I think there is some people in the distance over there that may be doing sledding or snowmobiling, I don't know. But yeah, literally nobody else here. Okay then guys, so we have left Spray Lakes Reservoir now. Is that what it's called?
Spray Lakes Reservoir.
Yeah, so we've left Spray Lakes Reservoir now, and we are actually going to be heading to Canmore, which is probably like the closest town. We're just going to go to a supermarket, have a quick look around. We're not going to spend too much time there, but then we're probably going to head back to the accommodation then. But yeah, what's your overall thoughts been on this place?
I think it's nice. It's been a nice drive.
Yeah.
Especially with the snow. Obviously it stopped snowing now.
I mean, even if you don't stop, it's worth coming here literally just to do the drive.
Yeah, because you can drive around all of it. Yeah,
but I would recommend having an SUV because the roads are, you can probably hear, the roads are very, very bumpy. I wouldn't recommend coming down here in like a hatchback or a saloon, especially when it's snowing. So yeah, definitely have an SUV if you can. Of course, a Jeep is preferable. But yeah, I definitely recommend coming here, even if you don't want to stop, because it's lovely roads around here. Everywhere you turn, there's mountains, there's lakes, there's trees, there's everything you could ever want, really. So yeah, definitely, if you are staying in Alberta, I'd recommend Spray Lakes for sure.
One thing about it though, it would be better in the summer when the roads are actually open in the campgrounds, because at the minute you can only stick to the main roads. You can't officially pull in anywhere to park.
Yeah, but I think that, to be honest, I think they're more for like camper vans and that anyway. Because I think it's only like, I mean, we went in one yesterday, didn't we, where it's literally you just pull in, there's a few sort of plots, and then they have like a little campfire and a bench and stuff. I think it's just pretty much like that. But yeah, that's something to consider as well. If you are in a camper van or whatever, then there's only minimal things open during the winter time. You're probably better off coming in the summer when it's a lot warmer anyway. But yeah, let's head to Canmore now anyway.
He can't help himself faffing around with the car.
Can't see anything hanging down or anything.
You can't help yourself, can you? You've got to faff around with the car.
Oh no, you said you heard a rattle, but
No, it's when you're going in those big puddles. That it's like, you know, those scraping noises. Can't hear anything. You've got the things on.
I don't know about that. Oh, there's the window.
Can you turn it off? Oh.
Yeah,
Did you
I
think
don't know
it
what
was
it
a
is.
bear?
No, I can't see anything hanging down, so.
Just take it easy because you don't want to break the car here.
Yeah, don't know, remember this song? It's I believe it's by a band called Finger 11. It's called like Paralysed. But I seem to be struck by you. I wanna make you move because you're standing still. If your body matches what your eyes can do. Does anyone remember that song? I think it was pretty popular about, I want to say about 15 years ago. I think it's Finger 11, Paralysed, I want to say. Yeah, let me know down in the comments if you actually remember that song. I think it was pretty popular on YouTube actually.
Smile.
Okay then guys, so we're in Canmore now. Just stopped at the supermarket, grocery store, Safeway, whatever you want to call it. I think we're pretty much stocked up now, aren't we, for the rest of our time here? Got a couple of dinners. Yeah, I think we're planning on cooking like our own food while we're here. I don't really know of too many restaurants here. I know it's like a Pizza Hut, but apart from that, there isn't really too much else here in terms of restaurants, is there? But that's fine. I quite enjoy cooking anyway. We have access to a grill, a barbecue anyway, so gonna make use of that. But yeah, I'm pretty hungry now. Are you? Should we just wait here for even longer? No.
I'll start getting hungry.
Yeah, let's go down the road anyway.
Oh, look at that little baby with the hat on.
Okay then, so we're back at the accommodation now and it is time to start cooking dinner. So this is what we have on the menu tonight. 2 lovely steaks. I'm going to make some cream potatoes and some green beans. Real simple.
Are you making your special mash?
I am. Dinner is served. So right now then, it is around 8 PM and it's still pretty light, and yeah, we're just going for a little post dinner walk. Here's where we are. Again, the scenery is absolutely beautiful. This is pretty much right on our doorstep as well. Okay then, so we are back at the accommodation now, and I think we're going to have a pretty early night because we've got quite a lot on tomorrow, so we want to get up fairly early. But hopefully you guys have enjoyed another day in Canada anyway. Please give it a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so. I'll see you all in that next one. Peace!